In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how to become an appointment setter in 2024 so that you can start your journey towards making your first $10,000 online. If you're new here, my name is Evan, and I'm currently working within the high ticket sales industry as a high ticket closer. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. It's my goal to provide you as much free value as I possibly can. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask in the comments. Today, we're diving into the high ticket sales industry, which is one of the multiple pieces within the e-learning market puzzle and is estimated to reach a market value of a whopping $840 billion by 2030. Here, I'm hooking you up on how to start making money from your phone just by setting appointments. You and I are going to accomplish this together by covering the 4 steps you need to hit the ground running when it comes to being an appointment setter, such as choosing your niche, building your skill set, leveraging technology, and finally, obtaining clients. Now, it's time to lock in. All right, so what's the deal with high ticket sales? It's all about selling high value products or services, usually priced at about $1,000 or more. In this instance, as we mentioned before, we're going to be positioning ourselves within the e-learning market. This industry entails professional online training programs, premium online coaching offers, and much more. The best part is that you can make serious bank with just a few sales each month. In order to do this though, you need to obtain a role within the industry. To break this down simply, there's 2 main roles that you would be looking to achieve, either becoming a high-ticket appointment setter for an online offer or becoming a high-ticket closer for that online offer. But today, we're zooming in on a specific role within this space. Appointment setting. Think of appointment setters as the gatekeepers. You're the one connecting potential clients with the sales professionals. And the best part is that you can do this from your phone anywhere at any time. So why appointment setting? It's the perfect way to break into high ticket sales without needing tons of experience. There's 2 main ways that you can earn commission as a high ticket appointment setter, depending on the offer. First, you can reach out to prospects, qualify them, and set up appointments for the closers on the sales team. Second, you gain access to an influencer or popular business's social media, manage their inbound DMs, and set qualified appointments on their behalf. In this instance, industry standard commissions for high-ticket appointment setters is usually 5%. So if you were to be placed on an offer worth $10,000 and you book an appointment that sets to close, you get a $500 commission. So, if your goal is to make $10,000 per month, that means you would only need to set 5 close appointments per week. You can see how this could start to add up as your weeks progress. It's a great way to learn the ropes, earn while you learn, and get your foot in the door. Now, let's break down how you can get started. Also, if you're interested, I've got a free workshop included below that'll walk you through everything in much greater detail. You can sign up through the link in the description. Now, let's get into it. Step 1, choosing your niche. First up, you have to sell something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Whether it's luxury travel, online education, or high-end fitness gear, pick a niche that excites you and has a demand. When you're passionate about what you're selling, it comes through in your conversations and makes you more convincing. Once you've got your niche, it's time for you to find a product or service to represent. Many high-ticket companies have programs where you can start as an appointment setter, but before you get ahead of yourself, you'll need to build a few key skills first. So, let's get to our second step in building the foundation of our appointment setting ability. Step 2, building your skills. Next, you'll need to build the foundation of your skill sets. Here are the main key skills you will need to focus on in order to become the best appointment setter you can be in 2024. The first skill we will focus on is communication skills. Learn to communicate clearly and effectively with your prospects. This includes active listening and responding thoughtfully with context. Strong communication skills are essential for building trust and rapport with potential clients. You can best strengthen your communication skills by simply opening more conversations at will, be it in person or over the phone, and being conscious of the filler words that you typically use in your day-to-day speech. Since appointment setting is basically selling via text, you want to start treating your text the same as your everyday speech. Remove your uhs, ums, and likes from your vocabulary and watch your communication ability skyrocket within the next 30 days. Secondly, we have qualification techniques. Develop techniques to qualify leads quickly, making sure you're setting appointments with the right people. Understanding their needs and pain points will help you present the right solutions. For instance, if you want to be an appointment setter for a personal trainer, but you want to make sure that your prospects will actually have the time to consume the content they're being given from the personal training offer, a great question to ask your prospects would be, John, I know that you're a pretty busy guy as a mortgage lender throughout the day, but in order to lose 50 pounds within 6 months and be red carpet ready for your upcoming wedding, when do you really see yourself getting to the gym throughout the week? This opens the door for your prospect to realize how much time is actually on their hands and if your solution is even worth it for them to move forward. This also carves a path for your prospect to envision themselves consuming and implementing what the company has to offer, rather than just hearing it and not paying much attention. The third skill is persistence. Follow-ups are key. Most sales happen after a prospect has had 7 contacts with the item or service they are interested in. So, don't give up too soon. You can always stay in the front of their mind by checking on them once every day via questions, GIFs, and even memes. Yes, even memes. Don't be afraid to be truly yourself. The more authentic you are, the less salesy you will be perceived, which is crucial for building trust. Keep track of your follow-ups in Google Sheets and maintain a consistent schedule. Lastly, we need organizational skills. Keep track of your leads and follow-ups with a good customer relationship management tool, or CRM. The brand you use is completely up to you and does not necessarily make a huge difference. So don't waste time comparing. What really matters is that staying organized is crucial. The last thing you want to do is lose important information on a qualified prospect. Using any CRM will help you manage your interactions and ensure no potential client slips through the cracks. There are tons of resources to help you build these skills. And if you want to receive the same assistance that made me my first few $1,000s online, be sure to check out the link I've included below. Step 3, leveraging technology. Leveraging technology is another big one. Having a laptop helps tremendously, but you can run your whole appointment setting gig just from your phone if you want to. Here are some tools and platforms to check out moving forward. Number 1, going back into the customer relationship management softwares. Tools such as like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM will help you manage leads, track interactions, and automate follow-ups. Remember, you don't want to lose any valuable prospects. Number 2, video conferencing. Platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams let you hold virtual meetings with potential clients. This is crucial for being an appointment setter so that you can have daily conversations with the team you are setting for and discuss valuable analytics in real time. Third, email marketing. Use tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign to nurture leads and keep your audience engaged. If your team has a sales funnel that captures potential leads, learning how to automate the email process keeps your audience up to date on meeting times and reminders. Automating your email campaigns can save you time and help you stay top of mind with your prospects. Using these tools will help you streamline your process, stay organized, and reach a broader audience, all from the convenience of your phone. Now, it's time for the last but not least skill, obtaining clients. So let's get into the nitty-gritty details of obtaining clients. Here are 5 actionable steps you can take today to help you attract and secure high-ticket clients. First, we have networking. Leverage your personal and professional networks. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with influencers in your niche. Building relationships can lead to referrals and new business opportunities. One of the easiest ways to do this is to search appointment setting or high-ticket sales in Facebook groups. Join every group that you can and plug yourself into the network as much as possible. Secondly, we have establishing a social media presence. Establishing a strong presence on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Share valuable content related to your niche, engage with your audience, and showcase your willingness to learn about the space that you want to compete in. This builds credibility and attracts potential clients. Up next, user-generated content marketing. Create valuable content that addresses the pain points of your target audience. This could be blog posts, videos, webinars, or podcasts. Providing valuable information positions you as an authority and attracts prospects seeking solutions. For example, example, even if you don't have a crazy amount of results yet, you could start posting content documenting the problems certain businesses have when it comes to no-show rates. You could further build on this by posting about how you plan to be different within your appointment setting approach and limiting no-show rates and increasing closing percentages. This will attract business owners losing potential sales instead of you having to headhunt for each and every one of them. The next way to obtain clients is through cold outreach. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients directly. Craft personalized emails or messages that highlight how your service can solve their problems. Be genuine and focus on building a connection rather than making a hard sell. To get this kickstarted, you can visit well-known employment websites such as LinkedIn, Indeed, and ZipRecruiter to see which company best fits the ideal position that you want. Do some research and retrieve valuable information regarding how long the company has been in business, who their CEO is, and what their mission statement means to you. Then, reach out to them via email, Instagram DM, and Facebook Messenger. The best way for you to stand out from the rest of the crowd is to record a Loom video introducing yourself, what you know about the company, and how you're willing to work for free just to learn as much as you possibly can. Simply putting out this type of effort at scale will resonate with business owners and could even result in you landing a role within the next few days. Finally, we have referral programs. After you have attended enough networking events, built a social media presence, and completed your cold outreach campaigns, you should have found a company or business owner interested in considering you for an appointment setting role. Encourage satisfied clients to refer others by simply offering incentives or discounts. For example, if you usually earn 5% commissions based on what one company offers, you could offer to work for 3% commissions for 1 month in order to receive a warm referral. Word of mouth referrals are powerful and can significantly boost your client base. By following these steps and leveraging the strategies outlined in the workshop, you'll be well on your way to building a solid client base and making money as an appointment setter in the high ticket sales industry. Finally, let's talk about mindset and persistence. Appointment setting can be tough, especially when you're just starting out. Rejections and setbacks are part of the game, but staying positive and persistent is key. So here's a few tips to keep a strong mindset. Number 1, set clear goals. Define what success looks like for you and set achievable, measurable goals. Number 2, stay consistent. Consistency is crucial. Make a habit of daily prospecting, follow-ups, and self-improvement. Your goal should be to become 1% better every single day. Number 3, learn from failures. Every rejection is a chance to learn and improve. Analyze what went wrong and adjust your approach accordingly. Number 4, celebrate your successes, no matter how small. It'll keep you motivated and focused on the next goal ahead. So, in a nutshell, appointment setting is a killer way to start making money in the high-ticket sales industry. By picking the right niche, building your skills, leveraging tech, obtaining clients, and keeping a solid mindset, you can crush it in this field. Don't forget to sign up for the free workshop from the link in the description below. It's packed with all of the info that you need to get started right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, share it with your buddies. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on the high ticket sales industry and other cool stuff. Until next time, stay motivated.